Are you planning an international move, thinking about how all the pieces fit together, but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the complexity of shipping your household goods overseas? You're not alone, not by a long shot. The process can be overwhelming, but with the right partner, it doesn't have to be. Welcome to SDC International Shipping, your trusted guide for a stress-free global relocation. In this short video, I want to walk you through the seamless process, including how we make international moving easier, more affordable, and efficient with our expert services, including the cost-saving method of groupage shipping. So whether you're moving for work, retirement, or just adventure, SDC is here to take care of the logistics so you can focus on the journey. Let's get started with the first step, the initial consultation and a custom quote. Every successful move starts with planning. At SDC International Shipping, we offer free consultations to understand your specific needs because no two moves are exactly the same. During this call, we'll determine, number 1, your moving timeline, number 2, the size of your shipment, and number 3, any special handling needs such as fragile items or vehicles. Based on this, we'll provide a customized quote, no hidden fees, just transparent pricing. Next, we have the packing and the preparing of your shipment. Packing for an international move requires expertise. Our professional packing team uses high-quality, industry-approved materials to ensure your belongings are protected. We also provide custom crating for fragile or oversized items, ensuring they arrive at your new home in perfect condition. Plus, we create an itemized inventory list, making customs clearance a breeze. Next, number 3, let's talk about shipping options, air freight versus sea freight. Depending on your needs, we offer 2 shipping options, air freight and sea freight. Air freight is ideal for smaller shipments or urgent deliveries. Your belongings arrive in days rather than weeks. Sea freight, on the other hand, is the most cost-effective method for full household moves. This option is great if you're moving large volumes. For those looking to save even more, we offer something called groupage shipping. Let's talk a little bit about groupage shipping. What is it? How does it work? Groupage shipping is a cost-effective method where multiple customer shipments are consolidated into one container. So basically, you're only paying for the space that you use, and it's a budget-friendly alternative to paying for a full container. It's perfect if you don't have an entire household to move. By sharing container space, you reduce costs without compromising on service quality. Next, we have customs clearance and delivery. Customs clearance can't be left to chance because it's one of the trickiest parts of an international move. SDC will ensure that all the necessary customs documents are prepared correctly, and that includes inventory lists, non-sale certificates, and transfer of residency forms for applicable countries. We work with custom agents worldwide to ensure a smooth, hassle-free process. Once your shipment clears customs, we then arrange for safe and timely delivery to your new home. Let's talk a little bit about storage solutions. Maybe you're not moving into your home right away, and that's not going to be a problem. We offer secure short-term and long-term storage solutions in the United States as well as worldwide. Your belongings stay safe until you're ready for delivery. So why choose SDC International Shipping? Well, thousands of families, professionals, choose SDC International Shipping because we offer expert packing and crating, we offer customized shipping solutions, we offer competitive pricing with groupage shipping, we offer full customs clearance assistance, and we offer door-to-door delivery options, as well as short and long-term storage options just in case you need it. In short, we take care of everything so you don't have to worry. So if you're ready to make your international move, contact SDC International Shipping today. Get a free quote. Visit our website. We have a lot of great information there. You can check out our website at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com. That's sdcinternationalshipping.com. Or if you prefer to talk to someone, you can give us a call at 877-339-0267. Let us make your international move a safe one.